Continuing my theme of facing your challenges this month, do you find that you get really nervous and panicky before an event? Well, I've got a great mindset switch to help you with this particular challenge. Hi, I'm Bella from Feel Great to Be Productive, and I'm a motivational coach. Over the years, I've helped so many people to face their challenges. This is one of my favourite mindset switches. Are you ever really nervous and anxious about something that you've got to get through? A challenge. So maybe your palms are sweaty, your stomach's tied in knots, and you wonder if you can actually get through it. Well, try this. Do you remember a time in the past where you also felt like this? I bet you do. We've had several events in our lives where you feel just as bad. The difference is I want you to take yourself back to one of those events where you actually got through it. So you felt exactly how you do now. Experience that feeling. Remember the sweaty palms, the nerves, the anxiety. But you got through it anyway. Take yourself out of the other end of that event and remember the mindset switch is here. How do you actually feel now? You were feeling relieved. You were feeling proud of yourself. You could look back and say, I did that. I've even felt I want to do it again. I could do that again. So the mindset switch is remember a time when you did it, you've done it before, you can do it again. Once you're out the other side, you will feel so proud of yourself, and it will take you another step towards being braver in the face of a challenge. Last week, I set you a challenge to push yourself just outside of your comfort zone, to set yourself a challenge. To keep yourself accountable, I'd like you to pop in the comments exactly what it was you set yourself. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell for notifications of my up and coming Mindset Switch videos.